We wanted an area where we could invite people around, entertain, so we decided to convert the garage into what you see now. I really wanted it to be an experience for people visiting, so from the minute you walk through the door it all leads into the room, from highlighting certain sections of the area. When I'm listening to music, just highlighting the speakers, or no lights at all, but just a turntable. It really did give me so many scenes to play with, and now I find I've got a scene for all the different things we do here. So one of my downfalls is I do collect whiskey, so we needed a place to put this. So using the switch Mini-LIGHTZ underneath the bottle worked fantastic. Obviously switch was my go-to, using the colour tunable fittings. Around the outside of the room we went with the switch decor lights. In the middle of the areas we've gone with the deep tilt fittings, and the feature above the bar with the tube lights has just been fantastic. Going with the Honeycomb 30 degree, so we've got no hot spots, it's just a nice continuous glow. Choosing switch lighting for the products for this project was absolutely no-brainer. The fact that we can offer our clients a New Zealand brand, they absolutely adore that.